Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share. If you enjoy egg, then this is definitely a dish that you should try. It is a terrific dish. It is a dish definitely is designed for cooking in the wok. If you're new to stir fry, this dish is also a great practice to test your wok, make sure that it is well seasoned. I also recommend this dish for people to learn how to do template-based cooking. This dish has tremendous amount of flexibility, allow you to improvise in creating different variations. This dish not only allow you to try out different ingredients to add to the dish, but it also allow you to season the dish differently as you would like. The end result is that you're going to create infinite variations from this simple template. Like I mentioned earlier, this dish is truly a test of whether your wok is well seasoned or not. For this dish, I cook with my Cuisinart 14-inch stainless steel wok, and I season it with my spot seasoning method. As you can see, it works very well in making this egg dish. As most people know that frying eggs is very unforgiving, because if your wok is not well seasoned, the egg will stick to the surface of the wok. Now, one thing makes this dish very simple and easy to cook because you can put the frozen vegetables directly on top of the eggs. For this meal, I put in some frozen corn and frozen edamame. Okay, here comes the test to see whether your wok is well seasoned or not. As you can see, it works out very well. The egg do not stick to the bottom of the wok at all. I can easily move the egg over the surface of the wok. Cooking this dish is really a combination of a scramble and egg omelette. For me, the end result is superior than either scramble or an egg omelette. And because of the technique in folding the egg over and over again, it makes the egg cook much faster. And usually the cook time for 4 or 6 eggs is in less than a minute and a half. The wonderful thing about cooking this dish is that you can cook this dish in a matter of minutes from the time you walk into the kitchen. And all you need to do is to beat up a few eggs and get some frozen vegetable from the freezer. I cooked this dish the other day because I ran out of prep. Instead of using the frozen corn and frozen edamame, I quite often also use frozen vegetable mix. And that works extremely well. I season the eggs before I cook them. I use a combination of seasoning agents from my masala dabur, but you can season it in whatever way that you would like to. This including simply with salt and pepper or with some cheese. I used to like spicy food, so before I used to season this with Tabasco sauce, whereas my son always would like to season this with a sriracha sauce. This dish is extremely versatile. You can use it to eat with different kind of carbohydrates. For example, you can have it over a plate of rice or with some spaghetti pasta noodles. A friend of mine cooked an egg similar to this, and he loved to put this over a piece of toast. For this dish, I'm going to eat it over rice, so I'm going to season it with a little bit of oyster sauce. So home cooking doesn't have to be elaborate, but it could be delicious, and it only takes a few minutes, as long as you have some idea what you would like to have. For me, my fast cooking system has made a difference in my life. With flavor chasing, advanced prepping, stir frying, and template-based cooking, I'm able to make almost anything I want, and I never get bored. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click like, subscribe, and share.